Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to add the follow button on your Facebook account. Okay, first open your Facebook app and now tap on profile icon and now click on the three dot line option and click US and see Facebook add friend option showing. Okay, now add the follow button. Go back and back. Now tap on the three dot line and click on the setting and privacy and now click on the settings. Scroll down and click on the how people find and contact you and how can send you friend request and click on the friends of friends. Okay, and now save back and click on the profile icon again and click on the three dot line option and click on the follow setting and click on the followers and public content. How can follow me friends and how can see your followers on your profile public. How can see the people and pages you follow public and how can comment on your public post post notification public and public profile info public. Okay, enable public. Okay, back and how can see your viewers option. And I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.